YouTube, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. So today I'm just gonna give you guys a little garage update because I did do some little changes in here. So we'll get to this thing in a moment. So I just really deep cleaned in here. I sanitized and cleaned the walls, the floors. I washed the whole entire garage because I never did that before, and it was definitely time. So I added this flooring here, as you guys could see. It's like a soft padded flooring, and it's holding up pretty good. I had it for about a week now, and yeah, I mean, you could see some tire marks and stuff because, yeah, I know this probably isn't really meant for this purpose, but I mean, it's getting the job done, so I actually like it. And it's easy for me to work on cars and stuff in here too, especially if I'm on my knees, no homo. And yeah, I like it. It's not bad. I didn't do the whole entire garage because I didn't want to. I just wanted this area. Over here, these crates, I got like car detailing stuff. Some of the stuff is for this. Most of it's for, you know, little flips that I do here and there. And then that's just some antifreeze coolant for whatever kind of cars. I don't even know. And my extension cord. Wash buckets, my carpet extractor, which works great. I love that thing. That's my $10 Dollar General chair. I love that thing. Got some banners over here, as you guys could see. I'm gonna fill up the walls with a little bit more too. I got a Pirelli thing hiding somewhere. Yeah. These are all tags from cars that I either own or people in my family. So I just decided to just hang them up there. Some random stickers. And yeah, this is where the magic happens, man. Try to keep this as clean as possible because wintertime will be here before I know it. And I'm going to be doing a lot of work in here too. But let's check this thing out. Got it washed today, but just like a little quick wash because it was kind of dirty. I didn't even do the windows or anything, but I'm going to rewash it again this weekend and actually get it really nice and shiny because I got my cousin's wedding on Sunday. This happened today, of course, at the car wash. The girl's telling me, oh yeah, turn your wheel. Then I'm turning it. She's like, good. And then I just knew I fucked something up. But I have a wheel guy that could take care of that and the other side whenever I really want to get it done. I don't know what the hell this is. That's the only thing with black cars, man. You discover scratches like every single day. I do gotta wipe this whole area down one day too. I'll do that before, I guess, the fall or winter time comes. Fire it up. It's already warm because I was driving it earlier, so it's like a warm start. My exhaust is stuck on like a certain level. So it's not on the real quiet mode and it's not on the super loud mode. It's like in between. And the remote doesn't work for the exhaust. So if anybody knows what's up with that, comment and let me know before I pay somebody to look at it, you know. But yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe. I got more videos coming, so stay tuned. Catch you guys later.